get from that, right? We get knowledge. So knowledge is a combination, really, of of data and information. So back to data and information. Oh, by the way, these slides will be available. If I've gone through them too quickly, please don't worry about that. They'll be available for you. Data, though, we have to remember, is unprocessed fact or fiction. Information is validated data, and there is a distinction that I need to point out. So, if I was to say rhetoric, actually, did anybody go to that panel that we had a couple days ago? Somebody told me that we've heard the rhetoric from that side, and I said, I've heard the propaganda from that side. I've actually defined these here, so if you went, I'm glad you came back here. So actually, true rhetoric makes clear intentions, and for the person hearing, they have an understanding of what you're trying to get across, so it motivates them. Manipulative rhetoric is actually propaganda because it's intentionally dishonest with the hearers. Let's talk about some of the unique exploits that really are not being addressed. I'm not going to tell you all of the really cool things, right? But I'm going to tell you a couple maybe that you're not familiar with. And one I wanted to talk with is a variant of a virus. We saw this with NIMBA. We saw this with a lot of different viruses. So what happens is there's a virus that gets out there, and the very efficient